everyone, we will take small section of the hairs in the front, tie it like this on the sides. Now fix it on the back and it's ready. Next, take small section of the hairs and fix it like this. Now take the threads and tie it on the hairs like this. Take multiple color threads of your choice and fix it on the hairs very carefully. Make the plaits, tie all the hairs together and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs on the top like this and fix it on the back. Now tie all the hairs by dividing into two parts and it's ready. Next, take small section of the hairs in the front, tie it on the back, make the plaits, roll it upward and it's ready. Next, take the hairs in the front, tie it and then rotate it from the between like this. Now again take small section of the hairs, join it together. Now again rotate it. Now fix all the hairs together like this and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will tie the hairs on the back like this. Tie it properly as shown, divide it into two parts, fix it like this. Tie them together on the back and rotate it and fix it in a heart shape and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs in the front and then fix the thread like this. Take the threads of multiple colors and then fix it on the hairs by making the plaits like this. Make the hairs very carefully. Don't break your hairs. Tie it and fix it on the back. Fix the ribbons by rolling it like this and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will tie the hairs in the side like this. Fix it by fixing the hairs together and it's ready. Thanks for watching.